What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar, aka Omarin, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 3 basic editing tools you should know for iMovie in 2021. Check it out. Our first tool, the split tool. This tool is used for taking out unwanted parts of your video, such as unwanted footage, as well as shortening a clip for your project. Let's check it out. Alright, let's get started. Here I have my 3 clips from a video I did earlier in the month. I'm going to go over to the right side just to expand that timeline. I want to make sure I can get a precise cut. And first I'm going to see where I want to cut my video. Right when I show the cup entering the frame, which is about right here. I'm going to go ahead and click. As you can see, my video is highlighted with the yellow. Make sure you come back to where you want to make that split. And there are 2 simple ways to make this editing cut. The first one is to do Command B, and that automatically splits it. Now, you can also do it by using your 2 fingers to click on the trackpad and go to split clip. As you can see the shortcut Command B, and then you can go ahead and delete the old clip or the part you do not want. I'm gonna go ahead and do this for the end of the clip. As you can tell, this is pretty long, so playing it, I put the cup right about there. I'm gonna go ahead and go split clip, delete that last part, and I'm left with a clip where I just bring in the cup. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other clips, and then we're gonna move on to our next tool. Our second tool is the speed tool. This tool is used to slow down a clip to give it more of a detailed effect, or speeding up a clip to give it more of an overtime effect. Let's check it out. And for this specific tool, I'm going to be using it with my 3rd clip, which is of me pouring milk into the hot chocolate bomb. Now there are several ways to do this. We're going to start off by doing the menu, so click on the clip, put 2 fingers on the trackpad and press down to get your menu. And then there you can see Show Speed Editor. Now once you get more accustomed, you can always use the shortcut Command R. And then you're going to get this line right above your clip. Now if you hover over it, you're going to be able to stretch it out. And as you can see, there is a turtle signifying that it is slower. And if you get it closer to the starting point, you see a rabbit, meaning it's faster. Another way to do this is to move up, make sure your clip is selected, go all the way up, and you'll see a speedometer looking icon. You click on that, and then you have a drop down menu of what to choose from: slow, fast, and custom. So if, in this case, I know I want to go slow, so I'm going to click slow, and it's at 10% slow. And that sounds like pretty much where I want that clip to be. Now, I know it sounded a little weird, so we're going to cover that in our 3rd tool. Our 3rd and final tool is the audio tool. This tool is used to raise or lower the volume of the clip or to take it out. Let's check out how to do that. Like I mentioned in the last tool, I slow down a clip, but the audio sounds kind of weird. And to be honest, I'm going to be putting a track to this, so I actually don't need the audio from the clip. Once again, we can always click on it and open up our menu, and I highly suggest to detach audio. What this does is it separates the audio from the clip in case you want to use it for something else. Drag it on, shorten it a little bit, whatever you want to do. And you can also raise it, right? If I see this line right here, I can raise it up to to 400% so it's louder, or I can go ahead and lower it in case I only wanted, let's say, 10% of the audio. Now, for me, I'm not going to be using it, so I'm just going to click delete, and that's how I separate the audio. Now, if you want to keep your audio, and I'm going to return it back to its normal setting, what you can do is click on that clip again and go up to your menu icons, and there's a speaker for the volume icon. Click on that, and you can also adjust it there. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and detach all of these audios from the clips since I know I'm not going to use them. Well, there you have it, my 3 basic editing tools everyone should know for iMovie in 2021. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.